Welcome to Yvette Kitchen. Today I'm going to make you a very healthy and nutritious protein drink. It's made from our own Jamaican bean and peas. Okay, so first, this is my gungo peas. I'm gonna put right here. Then you have my red peas. And then you have my broad bean, and these are already cooked. Alright, so I'm going to use the same water that I used to cook and pour. Okay, so then I'm gonna put my cow's milk. This is some evaporated milk. I'm going to put some vanilla. Some cinnamon. And a little nutmeg. Okay? And then we're going to use our condensed milk. As I said, this is a very delicious protein shake, and you can have it for breakfast or lunch. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to blend. So this is my delicious protein drink made from all peas and bean. Okay, so I'm gonna have a taste. This is delicious, and you can put it to chill, or you can have it over ice. Okay, so subscribe to my YouTube channel, Yvette Kitchen. Live, love, laugh, and enjoy your food.